Hey guys, it's Ruth and welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, ang gagawin ko ay isa-start ko tong series na to dito sa aking channel. So, ang series na to ay inspired sa mga ginagawang videos ni Luigi Pacheco. So, shout out to Luigi Pacheco. I know hindi naman ikaw yung nag-start nito, pero ikaw yung naka-inspire sa akin gawin yung mga ganitong kinds ng video. Ang series na ito ay tatawagin kong stressed or impressed. So, hindi ako sure kung meron ng ibang may pangalan na ganito, pero ito yung gusto kong pangalan nitong series na to. So, basically, ang gagawin ko lang naman sa video na ito ay magre-review ako ng mga items or beauty products or kahit na anong items na medyo weird, hindi pangkaraniwan, pero ang objective and goal ng item na ito is mapadali ang mga bagay na medyo nahihirapan tayo. Medyo weird. Ayun, so if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell down below so you get notified whenever I posted a new video. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. So as you can see, I'm already caked up. I already have my foundation and everything is missing in my eyes. Medyo weird, medyo weird, medyo weird. And that is the eyeliner and the mascara. So for today's product, I just received a mail and it's in this cute green, like aqua blue or aqua green bag. This package is from LASH liners. Kung lagi niyo pinapanood si Tati, siya yung nag-review nito. Siya yung nakita kong nag-review nito. So, the product that I am talking about is the LASH liner. So, this is how it looks like. Nasa blue siya na sparkly lash case. Ito yung nasa loob niya. So, meron siyang one pair ng top eyelashes, tapos meron siyang mga parang single or individual lashes. It also comes with the eyeliner. So basically, this product is called a magnetic eyeliner. Medyo weird. It works with all kinds of magnetic eyelashes. And we're going to test that out kasi bumili din ako ng ibang klase ng magnetic lashes and I got the Ardell one. So, itatry natin si Ardell kung mag-work ba siya dito kay magnetic liner. Sabi dito, lash liner system is a false eyelash system that lets you have beautiful eyelashes quickly, easily, and painlessly. It can be used with both double sets of magnetic eyelashes or with our exclusive more magnetic top-only lashes. Sabi, we're going to test this out and I'm so excited kasi even the magnetic eyelashes itself, hindi ko pa siya na-try kasi I think it's weird. Medyo weird, pero mas weird pala kasi meron palang eyeliner na may magnets. Medyo weird. So, buksan na natin and i-try na natin kung talagang nag-work ba itong lash liner na ito. So, I think merong mga iba rin na magnetic eyeliner. Pero, so far, ito yung napanood ko. So, ito yung sinubukan ko. Ganito yung itsura niya. Brush tip din siya. Just like a regular eyeliner. Actually, medyo natatakot ako kasi I don't know how this would react to my skin. Pero so far, sa mga reviews naman na nabasa ko, wala pa naman. I am going to do is, hindi ko na siya i-wing. Hanggang dito ko na lang siya ilalagay. Sabi, hindi rin ako sure kung gaano dapat kadaming eyeliner para dumikit So, according to the directions, kailangan matuyo muna yung eyeliner before nyo ilagay yung lashes. So, I will be putting another eyeliner on my other eye para habang hinihintay natin matuyo. And it says in the direction na dapat 1 to 2 minutes. So, I think the eyeliner is now ready. Tuyo na siya. And, just to mention, yung lalagyan niya, magnetic din pala siya. So, yung eyelashes nyo is kakapit siya whenever you put it on the case. So, kukunin ko with my handy-dandy trusty applicator from Kiss. So, ang gagawin ko ay susubukan ko na siya kung talagang didikit siya. Surprisingly, madali nga siyang gamitin. And sobrang ganda ng pagkakadikit niya. Talagang kumapit siya dun sa liner. The only thing is, kapag napunta yung liner doon sa mga eyelashes mo, medyo mahirap siya kasi kakapit yung false lashes doon sa mga particles na merong magnet. So, kapag naglalagay kayo ng liner, just be very, very careful. And don't let it go dun sa natural eyelashes mo. Pero, sa nakikita ko, ano naman yung eyelashes, parang maganda naman yung pagkakakapit niya and parang hindi naman siya agad-agad matatanggal. Yun, get used to it. Makukuha ko din to. Ayan, medyo okay naman siya. Parang makakasanayan mo naman. Siguro, tatry ko siyang gamitin kapag nasa labas ako. And sobrang ganda niya. Para lang din siyang regular na eyelashes kasi nga naka-eyeliner ka. Tapos, dumidikit siya agad. Napakabilis niyang mag-attract. Sobrang ganda niyang tingnan sa salamin. Natural lang or parang same lang ng regular eyelashes. Tingnan naman natin yung removal part niya. Kapag tinanggal ko, may maiiwan ba na residue ng eyeliner dun sa mismong magnet or malinis pa rin siya. Kasi kung malinis pa rin siya, then that's going to be so amazing. O, diba? Ang bilis-bilis lang niyang tanggalin. And malinis siya. Walang dumikit na eyeliner. Siguro kaya dapat kailangan mo munang i-dry para hindi dumikit yung eyeliner. And what's good about this is when you removed it, walang residue na matitira sa eyes mo. Kasi ang hirap talagang tanggalin ng eyelash glue. So, everything just worked flawlessly. Eto na. Kasi ang claims nila, nag-work siya sa ibang type of magnetic eyelashes. So, I am going to try it out with Ardell's magnetic lashes and see kung gagana ba siya. This one comes with the applicator, so maybe I'm gonna try that. This is a plastic applicator, so it is fine. And it's made for magnetic lashes. So mag-work ka ba? Tumikit siya, so nag-work siya. For the second round ng ating review or testing nitong lash liner, yes, it does work. I think I got a defective one or nasira ko siya sa packaging, kaya yung dulo nitong right side ko, hindi siya masyadong dumidikit. Or maybe it's also because nalagyan ko yung natural lashes ko ng konting eyeliner, kaya mas ginusto niyang dun dumikit. Pero it does work. Totoo yung claim nila na totoo yung claim nila na nagwo-work ang different kinds of magnetic eyelashes. So what I am going to do is I'm just going to finish up with the rest of my makeup, and I will be back for my final thoughts with the product. So now that I did everything already, ito na yung final thoughts ko about the product. So I will be rating the product into 3 categories. First is the quality, if it works. Second is going to be the price, and third is like the overall. First is the quality, and does it work? Yes, it does work, and it's amazing kasi ito yung parang makeup invention na weird pakinggan pero talagang nagwo-work. Okay naman siya packaging wise, hindi naman siya maliit, saktong-sakto lang, just like a regular eyeliner. Quality of the eyelashes that comes with it is so nice. It was just like a mink lashes pero meron siyang mga magnet, and mukha naman siyang matibay. And then yung packaging niya is also nice kasi magnetic din yung packaging niya, unlike the Ardell one, nakadikit siya on both sides. Hindi siya magnetic yung packaging, and it's only plastic. Pero okay naman siya, very black yung eyeliner niya, natutuyo siya, and it's smudge proof. Thing is, keep the eyeliner from your natural lashes. Kasi once na, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, once na nailagay niyo sa natural lashes niyo yun, may tendency na kapag nilalagay niyo na yung eyelashes, didikit siya dun sa natural lashes mo instead of dun sa eyeliner. So, ang maganda rin pala sa eyeliner na to, ang maganda rin sa eyeliner na to is it's cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, latex-free, unlike other eyelash glue, and then it's also paraben-free. So, number 2 is going to be with the price that is $55 at sobrang mahal niya. The eyeliner itself is $40. Hindi ako masyadong impressed kasi sobrang mahal niya. So, talagang nakaka-stress siya. So, when it comes to the quality, impressed ako. Pero when it comes to the price, it's so stressful. Bibili ba ako ulit nito? Ang sagot ay hindi. Hindi na ako bibili kasi marunong naman ako maglagay ng regular eyelashes. Na-curious lang naman ako, and gusto ko lang naman itry ito since hindi pa rin naman ako nakakatry ng regular magnetic eyelashes. So, number 3 is gonna be the overall. When it comes to the overall, it was like 50-50. I am impressed with the quality, and it works. It really works. It's amazing, but I'm not impressed when it comes to the price. It's like way too much. I don't think may hustisya yung $55 or kahit na dito lang sa eyeliner is $40. Kung ako, siguro I would buy the eyeliner for like maybe $30 or $25. $40, I think it's way too much, and you can buy 2 eyeliners from Sephora already that has good pigment and smudge proof. So, that was it for today. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung aking review. And for more videos like this, suggest kayo ng mga items na pwede kong itry, at kung may access man ako sa kanila is itatry ko. So, in today's video, I just want to say thank you to everyone who's watching this and will be watching all my future videos. So if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell beside it so you get notified whenever I posted a new video. And I still have my giveaway open, and it will end on the 30th of April. So make sure you join that, and we're gonna be doing much more giveaways in the channel. So salamat sa panonood, and I'll see you guys next time.